Your hearing aid not connecting with Bluetooth? No worries. Here's a few quick fixes to get this done. First, ensure you go into settings and you find your Bluetooth. You want your Bluetooth to be turned on. Once your Bluetooth is on, you can go into settings and scroll down to accessibility, then down into hearing devices, and see if your device is connected over here. You have to restart your hearing device, put it on the charger, turn it off, and then turn it back on to find it back on the menu here. Once the hearing aid appears after being restarted, you could press it and have it connected. It's going to prompt you to pair the device. You're going to press it, and it's going to show that the hearing aid is now paired. If you are still having trouble coming into our office, we're going to help you pair it all back together.